So that's why I decided to use those. And you know, as far as what it sounds like in the car, the difference between just the muffler delete or the muffler delete and the resonators, what it does is just cuts down a little bit on the harmonics. The decibel level goes just down very slightly, but really the harmonics and the unwanted pitches are what are cut down. So that's the good part, right? And we still have the good noise, so let's test that out. Okay, here we go. Let's do the startup. So about 10 seconds or so, there's going to be a good bit of exhaust noise. And then when the RPMs drop a little bit below 1,000, it's more mellow, but you can definitely still hear it. Okay, let's go for a drive. So windows are rolled up right now. Okay. You can hear it. But obviously, windows rolled up, it's a little more muted. So let's go for a little drive here. Excuse my seatbelt. Let's go for a little drive. And I'll roll down the window so you get a better idea. Okay? Here we go. Okay, let's put her in drive. Now, it does make a difference what mode you're in, and obviously it defaults to comfort. Okay, now you can see when the engine RPM is between about 1,000 and 1,500, it's actually really quiet. All right, so here's comfort mode. And then when I do a little pass down our back street, I will put it in sport mode because that's where it's going to make the most sound. Okay, but you can hear it. Okay, it's actually not too bad. Now let's go ahead and turn here, and we're gonna go here. Now I will put it in sport mode. It's in sport plus mode. We'll make sure there's no traffic, and we're gonna go. Here we go. Right, there's the downshifts. Actually sound quite nice, a little burbling. Sport Plus mode, you can see how it hangs onto the revs a little more in Sport Plus mode. Get a little bit more sound. Yeah, a little burbling. So I like it. It sounds really good. It's not too crazy, but you can definitely hear it.